Welcome to another video. Today unboxing is HTC M7 refurbished, which I got from China, Aliexpress. So it's on very cheap price, it's around 55 euro, so it's very cheap. So start unboxing. So is that good to buy a refurbished phone or not? We'll see how it look like. And again, nowadays the Chinese, they're doing very good packaging. Before they didn't care, like always something broken inside, but nowadays they care more. Look, package is good. Too much bubble wrap. So that's the HTC, one of the best phone. It's on time, but now 55 euro. You know, it's very cheap. So that's the phone. To be honest, it looked like a brand new one, like never used. Yep. So they sent me European plug, but I asked for UK one. It's alright. That's the cable. And that's the earphone. I think it is a Beat. I think so. No, it's a normal one. That's the menu. See how one look like. So this is the official smartphone of UEFA Champions League and Europa League. So this is a 32 gig. It's Android, I think 4.2 something. So it's 32 gigabyte and 2 GB RAM, DDR2, 1080p full HD, I think video. So and this is how phones look like. To be honest, like it's very good to buy a HTC phone from Aliexpress. It's refurbished at 56 euro. It's very cheap, and even there is a software update as well. So this is the Android 4.4, but I think Android 6.0 is also available. So I checked everything with this phone, so I recommended this if you want to buy cheap phone and working well. So I think this fast phone is very good and cheap as well. So that's it for today. So please like my video, subscribe, and share it and comment please. So I'll see you in the next video.